Good morning everyone. Saturday morning here. Hope you're all doing really well. It's a beautiful day. Have a look at this beautiful water. Beautiful sandy beach area here. Crystal clear water. Beach. How are you guys? Yes, just let you know that it is me and I am here. These are a couple of boats that I've followed for a long time actually, because they're liverboard boats. They do little dive safaris, so they're obviously in for some repairs. But a pretty big boat. Got this one's called Koya and the other one's called Royo over there, so go up and have a look. See here the big stainless steel rudder, rabbit ear propeller, big 3-blade. Just had a repair there. Big keel, rudder support. Couple of little sakayans here. See, they always look big out of the water, right? As soon as you put them in the water, they all shrink. There's something about that that happens with every boat. You think, man, my boat, look how big it is, and you put it out in the ocean and you just realize how big the world is, how big that sea is, and Mother Nature. Yeah, we'll go up and say, oh, these guys are replacing the bamboo outriggers over here. Well, look at it, been painting them and putting it on. A few patches on the side that they've repaired up. This, I think, this is the bigger one of the two. Got the shaft and the rudder and prop all out. It's a big hull there. So guys, lots of little sakayans here, which are what we Aussies call the tenders, to get out to the big boat, and sometimes they're just used for as they are, fishing, little fishing boats. Another one there, this is a cute one, little sakayan, right here on the beach. See, lovely. I had two of these little boats, and tell you what, it took a bit of talent to get used to steering them and everything with the paddle and the oar, but it's all good fun. It's a cute one, all made out of plywood. This one's got a flat bottom, bit of a racy, bit more of a speedboat. Get this little yellow one here, same deal. I use them, they love to go fast, quick. Nice size fishing one next to it there. So that boat's gone out over the breakers there.